This is the Himalayan Secrets pink Himalayan salt, and this is the fine grain version. They do have a larger grain, and then there's something you can put in like a salt grinder. The coarse ground, I'm trying to think of the word. This has a really, it's a weird way to describe it, but it has a really mild salt flavor. I mean, it tastes like salt, but it's not as chemically. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a nice kind of mild salt flavor. So this, I'm interested in trying this on popcorn, just putting it directly on popcorn. I do plan on making some crackers with this and trying it out on there. It is non-processed. Like I said, there's no iodide in it. It's GMO free. It is halal, and it's a really nice salt. I would try this if you're interested in kind of avoiding the chemicals and the processing. But depending on what you're going to use it for, if you're going to be baking with it or putting it on top of things, you might want to get the coarse grind. But this is going to be good to sprinkle on things, and it will dissolve quickly in things that you're making at home.